Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn more about elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is a very important concept which is very useful for businessmen, managers, and commercial enterprises. When they want to change their price, or there is a change in the income of the people, or there is change in the price of a substitute good or a complementary good, how will it affect their business? How will it affect their revenue? That is the basis of this chapter. And this chapter will help you in understanding in those conditions, depending on the type of market, depending on the type of good you have, what actions should be taken. First, let's understand what is elasticity of demand. To put it simply, elasticity of demand is the responsiveness of the demand for a good to any change in price, whether the price increases or decreases. Which way does demand change? Does it increase or decrease, and by how much? To put it in other words, elasticity of demand shows the extent of change in quantity demanded in response to any change in price of the good, or the consumer's income, or the price of related goods. Marshall was the first economist to introduce this concept of elasticity of demand, and he concentrated only on price. His definition was that the elasticity of demand in a market is great or small according to the amount demanded increases much or little for a given fall in price. This concept was again simplified by bolding that elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of demand to changes in price. As you can see, he does not specify which direction or the extent, because that will be decided by the type of good we have or by the type of market we have. The simple way to calculate elasticity of demand is to divide the percentage change in demand by the percentage change in price, income, or price of a complementary or substitute good. First, let's examine price elasticity of demand. Price is the most important factor which affects demand. It measures the rate at which quantity demanded changes in response to price change. It is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded to a percentage change in price. That is, if price changes by 1%, what will be the change in quantity demanded? More than 1%, equal to 1%, less than 1%? And generally, because price and quantity of a good are inversely related, quantity demanded of a good are inversely related, price elasticity will have a negative sign. This negative sign needs to be ignored for a normal good, and we have to examine what is the extent of the elasticity or the measure of the elasticity. In this formula, you can see that we have change in quantity demanded divided by change in price multiplied by the price of the good divided by the quantity of the good. This gives us a proportionate change in demand responding to the proportionate change in price. What are the different types of elasticity of demand? We'll see in the next video.